Hi everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Foxy Fix haul for you, another one. And I have an order from Foxy on the way. I have two Foxys coming from Foxy Fix themselves. I always order them in pairs to save on postage because I'm international. And I have this one, which is off the Buy Sell Trade Facebook group. So this one arrived first. It's always a little bit of a gamble buying off the buy swap sell sites, just because you know it's not brand new, you don't really know what's happened to it. You can see photos, but photos don't always show if there's significant damage or not. Sometimes it's hard to tell. So the lady I bought from has a pretty good reputation, and I'm pretty confident this is going to be what it's supposed to be, and I trust her. So I've just got this on top to cover up my address and her address and everything. So I've already cut it open, as you can see, but I haven't opened it yet. So I'm just going to open it now for the first time. So let's get this open. Okay, so let's see. I'm pretty excited about this one. So it's in its dust bag, which is always nice. So there you have it. This is a Botanical Iris, and this is the first time I've ever had Botanical in my hands, and I have to say it's nice. It's kind of like a cross between a Boss Babe and a Sugar. It's got that sort of slicker feel that the Boss Babe leather has, but it is a little bit more flexible, more like the Sugar. So I have a compact spine, black Foxy Fix logo on the front, and that has since been discontinued, the black foil. It's a little bit of natural wear on there, as you can see, but it's in really good shape. We have some pockets on the inside. We have secretarial pockets on each side and the card slot at the front. You guys know I'm not the biggest fan of pockets, and I have to say, like that, especially there where the card pocket is very thick. I don't mind just the secretarial pocket so much, actually, but yeah, that bit there I'm not loving. Just purely personal preference. Most people like all the pockets. I'm just that weird person that doesn't. So like I said, 4-strand compact. I'm just gonna zoom in a bit so you can see. Okay, we're zoomed in pretty far there, but I just wanted to show you the light purple stitching on there, and then we have the light purple elastics as well, which, to be honest, I'm not a really big fan of. I think it's just throwing a bit too much. I don't know. It's all a little bit too purple. I have been keen to get a Botanical Iris for a while, but I'm not the biggest fan of purple. So what I didn't want was to get one that, yeah, see, it's just super purple, which it sounds ridiculous, doesn't it? But which, now I'm thinking about it, I'm pretty sure I ordered a sample of this with my last order, so that was probably a bit silly, but this was a really good price. What I might do is actually restrap it. I do have some black elastic, which I think would look really nice with it. So I'll probably just restrap it for now, because it has got the black Foxy Fix on it. So I think black elastics would look really nice with it. Purple stitching doesn't bother me so much. I think it's just that it's the wrong shade of purple for me, because Iris is a very warm purple. Almost got, it's got quite a lot of red tone in it, as you can tell. And these are just very light, cool lavender. Just not the right color for it at all, in my opinion. So wish me luck, because it's not the easiest thing to do, restrap, but at least it's not a wide. It's just a compact, so it shouldn't be too bad. Okay, so my Foxy Fix order arrived. It's a nice big box. I've got a few of these boxes now, so let's open her up. Oh no, I got another Rowena sample. That's a little bit disappointing. I already have a Rowena sample, so it's a double, but that's okay. I ordered some samples as well as my Foxys, so hopefully these are in here somewhere. Okay, so as you can see, I have quite a few things here, so I'm just gonna start with the most boring thing, which is adhesive pockets. So there should be 3 sets in here. Yep, 3 sets. So I got 2 TNs, and so that's for those, because you guys know I don't like stitched pockets. I like these. And this is for the Rowena. I also got off the By Trade group quite a while ago, and it doesn't have pockets, and it didn't have adhesive pockets either, so I bought an extra one for that. Okay, these I think are my samples. Yep, so I ordered 4 samples, and one of them is Botanical Iris, which I actually got. I got a TN in already, so that was a bit silly of me, but that's okay. They're only $2 each. And I also got, hang on, I'll zoom in a bit. Okay, so there you can see it. There's Botanical Iris. That's the other side. And then we have Sugar Chocolate Cherry, which is on my list, and I've sort of been putting in and out of my cart over and over so many times. Oh gosh, that's pretty. It's really dark on the outside though. It's almost black. Beautiful color inside. And then I got Cherry Pie and Scarlet, because these are both on my wish list. I wasn't sure which one I was gonna like better. I like them both. They're actually a lot more similar than I thought they would be. Really similar. Scarlet's just a touch more deep. Oh, I like them both. Because I know I want a Christmas TN, like a Christmas themed TN, and at least one of these, and I'm not sure which. Ooh, that's gonna be tough. That's a decision for another day. So that's all the samples. And then this is my pen sleeve. Should be my pen sleeve. Ooh, there we go. It's in Mochi, and it's got my initial in gold. That's really pretty. I got the medium size, so I can fit a couple of pens in there. So the pen I'm using at the moment is really fat, so if I put that one in there, I can't because of the pen loop, but if I put that one in there, I can definitely fit another pen in there alongside. So I do like to carry a friction pen as well. That's really pretty. Oh, I'm excited to use this. And next I have my notebook in Mochi. Now I did already have one of these, but it was a single, and I just have come to discover that I can't have singles, they're too small. So I got this in a compact. It's basically exactly the same as my single, but in a compact, and I got embossing this time. So this is a number 4. It has my initial on the bottom in gold foil. It has the fox and pip bow on the spine in gold foil. I just love gold on Mochi. I know a lot of people get rose gold, but I think it just fades away a little bit because the colors are so similar. I like that it stands out. And then I have cream stitch and a light cream elastic, and I'm glad I went with the cream over the white because it's just not quite as stark. Oh, my elastic has a mark on it already. How's that happened? I don't know, can you even see that? There's a dirty mark on it. That's so annoying. Far out, it's brand new. Oh, I have to use my jump band to re-elastic the outside. But apart from that, I really like the light cream elastics on there. It's really nice. Beautiful color. What can I say? I love Mochi. Now this one I'm really excited about because it's kind of a bit of a leap outside my comfort zone. It's definitely different. What I usually have really quite neutral pastel colors, and this is a lot brighter, and I'm not really sure how it's gonna look. I have an idea in my head, but I'm hoping it looks as good in real life as it does in my head. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That looks so good. Oh, it looks so good. Oh, I was really worried, but I love it. So it's a number 4 Botanical Rose, and oh, the color, I'm loving it even more than I thought I would. It's such a bright bubblegum pink, but still like pastel. It's still very like a light pink, if that makes sense. This is gonna be my mermaid theme TN. As you can probably tell by the embossing, I got Mermaid Kisses embossed in gold foil in the willow font, gold fox pip bow, and it has white stitching and turquoise elastics. I just love that color contrast. It's so pretty. I've got no pockets, of course. A couple of marks on the inside, but I'm not worried about that. Oh, this is such a beautiful leather. This is so underrated. I don't think I see it enough. It's beautiful. So this journal card is what I base my whole sort of colour scheme on, and look at that, that's perfect. That's perfect. Oh, I'm so excited. So if you like TM setups, keep an eye out because I'm going to set this up like ASAP. I'm really excited. This was from the Bee Sticker Addiction January Mystery Kit, if anyone was wondering. So these ones definitely have more give in the closure elastic, which is nice. The last one I got was very tight. Well, that's everything for now. I hope you enjoyed watching. This is a very fun video for me to make. These are probably my favorite videos to make. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.